you're not gonna see this, but there's 4 deers out here. I know you probably won't see it, but yeah. But there's 2 this way. There's 2 right here. I know you're not gonna see it. What happens if I turn my light on? It makes it a little worse, doesn't it? Stupid me. Turn it off again. There's one. 2 right here. Try to open my window here for you guys. Still doesn't pick up that well. There we go. Oh, good night, tubes. Well, good morning, guys, and here it is. Everything is frozen solid. The trees are frozen solid. Flash freezing we had last night. Deep snow. I can't really talk this morning. I don't know what. I'm feeling much better, but I don't know. But I just woke up a few minutes ago and called my boss. He's still open, but he has to dig everything out and defrost everything. He can't get the doors open, so he said to come out later. So I don't know when coming out later is, but probably around 10. So I got an extra hour to fool around. Yay. But yeah, guess I'll probably film on the way there, just to see if anything's in the ditch. But yeah, that's it for now. Very icy this morning.
And pretty.
And pretty.
And wavy. Holy cow, you see the waves from here. And there's Jester out for a shovel. The greyhound.
Okay.
Okay.
Holy totally ice. Everything's icy. Except for the telephone poles.
Well, the wires are all icy.
Yeah, but there's the wood part.
Yeah. I'm surprised we haven't lost power yet. Oh my gosh!
They didn't do the road.
Like, hello, you can't just shovel these roads in.
They didn't even do that road.
I hope they don't have an emergency and have to get in there. Is this one plowed into? Oh crap.
No, they haven't done that one either yet.
Just enough to get a car in. Oh, this is so heavy for these guys to be shoveling. Okay, hang on here. Where'd he go?
Right there.
Okay. Jeez.
And just turn back.
No. It's okay. I wish they would be a little more proactive with the roads here. I really do. I've never seen it like this before. It's crazy. I hope his road's plowed out.
Probably
We'll
not.
see.
He has his own tractor. He can do his own
This is nerve-wracking.
road. Almost there.
So we had a little bit of snow last night, and I don't know if you can see, you probably can't see it, but those trees are like little rainbows right now with the ice on them and stuff. So I don't know if I'll have the energy to go back down that trail today. I kept falling through the snow and fell and hurt my knee, and yeah, so I don't think we'll go back down there today. But I am going to make something today besides tea. I'm going to make this infusion of olive oil and herbs, and in about a week and a half I'll make it into a soothing skin balm, which I make quite often. And I'm making this for a homeless shelter because I was very, well, there's, here, I should talk into this, I guess, shouldn't I? I should talk into that. There you go. Because when I go downtown, quite often when I would take the kids to swimming lessons, there was a homeless man who I always used to give him money sometimes or whatever, just talk to him. And I was always, whenever I shook his hand, I was always, you know, his hands were so rough and dry and cracked and sore, and that just bothered me. So I'm going to make this soothing skin balm. I've got some little jars, and I'm going to take it down to a homeless shelter that our church, well, it's not a shelter, it's like a drop-in center that our church runs, and so they can have this skin balm if their hands are sore or their face is chapped or whatever like that, something like that, because it just bothers me, because they, you know, yeah, they panhandle, some of them and whatnot, but they're still people, and any one of us could be like them tomorrow, so it's important to take care of each other. So I am going to make this stuff for their hands, and I don't know how many jars I'll get out of it this time, but we'll see. I can usually stretch it, so I'll show you what I do. And well, I don't know, I'm not going to show you what I put in it, because that's kind of my recipe, so I'm not going to show you exactly what I put in it, but I'll show you what it's like, looks like when I've got it all sort of put together. And then next week or the week after, when I'm ready to make it, I will show you what goes into that, if you want to see it. Anyway, so I am going to get that started, and we have another snowstorm coming on Thursday, so I don't want any more snow. Please stop sending us snow. So yeah, so that should be interesting. The snow banks on the road are the highest I think I've ever seen since I've lived here for almost 7 years. So anyway, that's pretty much what I'm up to today. If I have to get Jeremy in a little while, and I want to leave earlier because the roads are still like 3 inches of ice on them, and I want to just get there before it gets too dark and everything. And it's really hard walking because you keep sinking through this crust of snow. And anyway, we'll see if I have the energy. I just did a 2-mile walk as well. I do an exercise thing I just started, because it's good for anxiety, or to stop anxiety. So now I'm tired and sore. And how was tobogganing today, Devin?
Good.
They were tobogganing today. It was a snow day, so I let Devin he did math, and he's writing a story, and he's got a project to do for David in England. Hi. And yeah, so that's what we're working on today. Anyway, hope you guys are okay, and all of you guys who've gotten this snow as well are digging out and warm. And Jeremy apparently got video of these deer last night, so that'll be interesting to see. I think there was something out there chasing them because the trail this morning, there were tracks, and then there were tracks that was something bigger, or something big, that was running after them. So I don't know what happened around here last night. Anyway, I keep saying I'm going to go, but this time I am. Bye! Okay, you start this stuff. I will tell you this. It started off with olive oil. So I'll probably have to add more. It depends on how many botanicals I'm going to put in here. But anyway, so yeah, you start off with olive oil. Olive oil is really super good for your skin. And now I'm just going to go get my other stuff. Devin is playing on Minecraft with Greg over in Wales and his friend Connor here, who lives next door. And yeah, I don't know what else to say here. So anyway, I'm going to go get my other stuff. I'll show you what it looks like all mashed together. Okay, so there's my pile of herbs in there. And some of this I have grown myself and dried. Others I buy. And so what you have to do is mix it around. And this needs more oil in it, obviously. And I have to be very careful when I do this to not heat it up too high. I have done that before, heated it up too high and basically fried the whole lot. So more olive oil. Now this I can keep once it's infused, so I heat it up every day a little bit for about a week, sometimes 2 weeks. If it's warm enough, I can put it in a jar and keep it in the sunny spot, but I prefer it to do it this way. And this will infuse the oil with all the good qualities in all these herbs. And then I can use this in my, you can see some flowers there. Okay, so that's no secret. There's red clover in there. Red clover, which I grew in the backyard, and it smells so good. And yeah, so I heat this up every day, not high, just low temperature, let it sit, and then it infuses into the oil. And then when I'm ready to make the final, when I'm ready to like actually bottle it and use it for my skin balm, I use a cheesecloth and I strain it through that about 3 times to get all the bits out of it. And we're good to bottle it once I put the other stuff in it. So, I think I might as well put the whole bottle in here for Pete's sake. So, anyway, this will make quite a bit. And when I'm ready, I'll show you the process. If you're interested, if you don't want to see it, then say in the comments. But if you want to see what goes on with this, it's not that exciting. It's just making a skin balm. But anyway, I think it's fun. I love making it, and it smells so good when I do. So anyway, yeah, that's what I'm doing today. So this is what we're having for supper tonight, Jeremy. Yum. Yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna go now. Bye, guys.